Here's the mistakes that steal your first 1,000 in affiliate marketing, so stick around for that. You know what I see a lot of beginners do? And listen, I did this too. They jumped into affiliate marketing like it's a gold rush. They grab the first product they see, they slap links everywhere, and maybe TikTok Shop, maybe it was ClickBank or JVZoo, and they're thinking, oh yeah, here comes the money. Ha 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 ha. And then reality hits them like a cold shower. No clicks, no commissions. No clue what happened. We've all been there, and the lessons I wish someone had handed me earlier on in life. You don't start with the product, you start with the problem. Money doesn't chase products, it chases solutions. Why beginners struggle? Most beginners aren't failing because they're not trying hard enough. They're failing because the strategy is backwards. Here's what usually happens: they chase screenshots instead of skills. They promote whatever link they can grab their hands on. They copy other people without knowing why it works. Trust me, I tried to skip to the finish line too. You don't win by grabbing random tools out of the toolbox. You win by knowing which tools to solve the job. Well, think of it like this: you don't dig for gold anywhere, you dig where the gold has been found before. That's shift most folks miss. Here's the real affiliate formula: problem, something someone wants fixed. Audience, people who need help with that thing. Product, the tool that solves it. Content, how you show them the path. Trust, why they chose you over anyone else. Commission, the thank you from the universe for helping. It's not about tricking folks or selling, it's about being useful. The internet pays problem solvers, always has and always will. And so here's some real world examples. Let me give you examples so that this sticks. TikTok Shop, little everyday gadgets that fix everyday annoyances. ClickBank, products people buy or to feel better or look better or earn more. JVZoo, tools that help creators and business owners do the thing more easily. If someone doesn't have a reason to click, they won't. It's that simple. Mistakes to drop today: let go of thinking more views, more money, switching niches every 5 minutes, promoting random stuff because someone online made 400 with it, believing hype instead of learning skills. Success online isn't a lottery, it's a skill set. Your first action plan, simple and doable. And here's your homework. I promise this will work. Now, today, write down 5 real problems you see online. You pick one niche, pick one offer that solves one problem. You make one short video showing how it helps. You link to your TikTok or your YouTube or whatever, and a full breakdown. That's the rule of one niche, one offer, one path, one win at a time. Stack enough little wins, you build a big one. Drop your niche ideas in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. I'll help you tighten it up. And if this hits home, go ahead and subscribe. We're building something real here. Brick by brick, skill by skill. No hype, no foundation. Welcome to your starting line. Let's climb together. And as always, this is Scott. Peace and progress.